Hi there guys, my name is Izal Hoffman. I'm a lifestyle chef and welcome to yet another mindful eating insert right here on the home channel. Now for this week, I've got an absolute scrumptious recipe prepared for you. It's called a roast sweet potato and chocolate breakfast smoothie. It's a quick and easy, sneaky way of adding extra vegetables to your daily meal plan, and it's loaded with fiber. Now in my cookbook called Mindful Eating on page 38, you can in fact see this is really not going to disappoint. Now we're going to start with 100 grams of frozen pre-roasted vegetables, and I need to explain, if you're going to go for fresh veggies, prepare your oven on a 200 degrees Celsius, prepare an oven tray with non-stick spray, ideally the olive oil one, and roast your vegetables. It can be butternut, sweet potato, and even pumpkin if you're trying to cut down on the carbs, of course. Remember, all of them are low GI and majority of them are anti-inflammatory. So for that reason, it's so perfect to add extra fiber in a good, tasty, and exceptionally yummy way to your breakfast smoothie. Now here is a combination of our sweet potato and our butternut that we are going to be adding to our blender. Then over to our milk base, we make use of 150 ml of unsweetened almond milk. So if you want to replace it maybe with oat milk or a coconut milk, you are more than welcome. Over to our raw honey, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory of course, and it really is up to you whether you want to add 1 to 2 teaspoons. Preferably, I love my blue gum honey specifically for this recipe. It just adds that deep, mature, beautiful chocolate taste that you are looking for. Then we've got a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of olive oil, and the reason I'm adding olive oil is in fact an anti-inflammatory as well. Then our raw cacao, 1 heaped teaspoon. We've got our cinnamon. Now cinnamon is such a beautiful, beautiful anti-inflammatory ingredient. A teaspoon of almond butter, and we're going to finish it off with fresh mint leaves. So let's get started. Now let's start with our milk base. This is 150 ml of our unsweetened almond milk. Be on the lookout that there's some brands that contain your sunflower oil as well as your cornstarch and sugar. Those ones are not ideal that we are looking for this recipe. Then over to our frozen sweet potato, and this is of course a butternut mix as well. Now we have to chocolate it up with our raw cacao, and for those of you that don't know the difference, the raw cacao is the one that's very high in calcium and antioxidants, and that's sort of the one we are looking for because it's also a natural antidepressant. Over to our 1 teaspoon of caramel essence, our 1/4 teaspoon of our cinnamon. So this is our 2 teaspoons of our raw honey, our blue gum of course. And guys, there you have it. It's as easy as that. Now you can in fact also add a few mint leaves if you wanted to, but in this case I'm leaving mine today to add on top as garnish. Now all you have to do now is you can add in fact a few extra blocks of ice or just blend it up like this beautifully, and it is ready. Breakfast of champions to perfection. And guys, there you have it. Your roast sweet potato chocolate breakfast smoothie is ready for action. Now all that's left to do is we're going to pour it into a glass, garnish it with some beautiful roast almond flakes, roast sweet potato, extra one of course, and a little mint leaf to just top it all perfectly. Guys, and there you have it. Your roast chocolate breakfast smoothie for the win. Breakfast of champions. My name is Izal Hoffman. Till next time, right here on the home channel. Cheers.